Hello kids, how are you today? Welcome to the Farhan Art channel. Today we are going to draw a house and a beautiful natural scene. We will learn how to draw and color a house and a natural scene. First, let's draw two long slight curved line for a tree. Now let's draw the tree roots. Next, let's draw the top part of the tree. We will use a ruler to draw the house. Draw a horizontal line and then add two vertical lines. The bottom line will be a little longer than the top part. The top part is finished. Now let's draw the rest of the house. Let's draw the door and the two windows. Draw a long line at the top using the ruler. Above the line, draw shapes and look like tree. After drawing the trees, let's draw a small river. Draw grass on both sides of the river and beside the house. Draw a round sun in the sky. Kids, do you like peaceful natural scene? Would you like to live in a place like this when you grow up? Come on, kids. Now let's start coloring. First, let's color the tree leaves. What color are tree leaves? Yes, green. Next, we will color the tree trunk with burnt sienna. Now, let's color the roof, then the door and windows. Next, let's color the front of the house. Can you tell me the name of this color? Yes, sky blue. Now, let's color the trees in the background. Kids, do you like the color green? Next, let's color the grass. Do you have a garden with grass? Can you tell me what color the sun is? Now let's color the sky. Kids, isn't the sky beautiful? I think the sky looks very beautiful. And doesn't the river water look beautiful too? Now let's draw the sunrise. Next, let's draw some birds. The birds are flying beautifully in the sky, aren't they? Let's color the ground under the tree. Kids, how do you like today's house and natural drawing? If you enjoy it, please give me us a like and subscribe for more fun drawing video. Bye bye.